That should be my baby, but this is my baby.
Okay. Are we all ready? I will do the countdown. So, welcome everybody to Oakland's first annual Breastfeeding Festival. And we're going to start, as soon as I say yes, we're going to do a solid minute nurse in solidarity with all the moms all over the world. We want to hope that they all give their babies the gift of life, which is the bounty of our breast milk. And we specifically want to put out our good energy to the moms here in Oakland, that they all give their babies that gift as well. Our breastfeeding numbers in Oakland are very, very low. We want to bring them up, up, up with more events like this. So, we all ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start right now. You keeping tabs there? And we have 10 more seconds. I'm going to count down a little bit. And of course, if babies want to keep nursing, we're going to keep feeding them. But, you know, we did our thing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yay! Oakland does breastfeed! Woo-hoo!